Want to level up your firepower to the next level with the ultimate badass high-capacity shotguns? We have ranked the top 8 alternatives based on their ability to deliver deadly firepower while being remarkably reliable. These shotguns, from modern masterpieces to time-tested favorites, are here to rule the day. Mossberg 590M is the first on our top 8 picks. This pump-action shotgun has several characteristics that make it perfect for the range. Because it can contain 20 rounds of 12-gauge venom before needing to be reloaded and is versatile because a belt can be loaded with buckshot and slugs, this pump-action is tranquil via superior firepower. It can also be constructed with ghost ring sights or a red dot sight. With the right lugs installed, this straightforward tactical pump shotgun can be used for complete self-defense and can hold up to 20 rounds of your chosen shotgun ammo. 7th is the 𝐂𝐴 1919 Match Pro. The 𝐂𝐴 1919 Match is a 12-gauge shotgun designed for professional shooters such as police officers, competitive shooters, and combatants, with the AR platform serving as inspiration for its design. This semi-automatic, magazine-fed shotgun has unrivaled capacity and an improved shooting experience thanks to its newly engineered bolt, action block, and locking block. The shotgun's automatic gas system allows it to discharge 2.75 and 3-inch shells with minimal effort from the shooter, and no excessive recoil. It is one of the best tactical shotguns on the market due to its combination of speed, accuracy, and ease of disassembly. The Remington 870 DM is ranked 6th. As a result of their detachable magazine systems and controls designed with ultimate precision, shotguns like the Remington 870, which features a 12-gauge, a choke barrel, a ported tactical 4-end ported tactical choke, extra small ghost ring sights, a pistol grip tactical stock, and versatile taser attachments, are among the best high-capacity tactical shotguns available today. Many people believe that the Remington 870 DM Tactical is the world's quickest reacting high-capacity shotgun. The other one in the list is totally a badass. The Kalashnikov KS-12 is another option. This American-made shotgun takes the best qualities of the Saiga and mixes them with those of reliable American shotguns. The largest shells that can be fired from this gun are 3 inches in diameter. Saiga magazines, including drums, work just fine. The overall dimension is 38 inches, while the length of the barrel is 18.25 inches. Both the rear and front sights on this firearm are adjustable, and the barrel is threaded. A side optical rail is also included for your convenience. This shotgun is only 8.86 pounds, despite its size, collapsible stock, and flash suppressor. The lightweight polymer used to make the magazines has a role in this. It is highly effective as a home defensive weapon and as a hunting weapon. FosTech Origin 12 is ranked number 4. Gamers familiar with the Warface series will recognize this weapon in the real world. It's a 10-inch barreled AR pistol shotgun that can still fire heavy ammunition. It comes with full-length Picatinny rails on top and is available with either a long or short barrel. A 30-round drum mag may be depleted in only 7 seconds. Having an extra shell or two in your shotgun's magazine can greatly increase its usefulness. There are more affordable options for protecting your home or hunting big animals, but this one is savage. The Benelli M4 is ranked 3rd. The Benelli M4 Tactical is a semi-automatic 12-gauge shotgun featuring a ghost ring front sight and an adjustable rear aperture sight. It has a black finish and a pistol grip, and its barrel measures 18.5 inches. A clear picture is guaranteed regardless of the weather. Shooting accurately while swiftly firing many shots is impossible without a pistol grip. The rail along the length of the firearm allows for the attachment of various optics and accessories. It's 7.8 pounds and 40 inches long. Boss 25 is at number 2. It mimics the appearance of a competition-grade AR-15 while actually being a 12-gauge weapon. That's an interesting system for protecting your home against thugs or hunting big wildlife with slugs. The 20-inch barrel has been adjusted for deadly precision, and there are 2 5-round magazines supplied. The gun's versatility stems from its ability to accept additional accessories, including laser sights and a rapid-fire silencer. Remington VersaMax has taken the top spot. The 12-gauge caliber, 8+1 round capacity, 22-inch barrel, pro-bore choke system, tactical extended choke tube, and icy choke tube of the semi-automatic shotgun give the shooter the versatility necessary in a tactical situation. The gun's trigger guard is extra large, so it can be used with gloves. Despite its entire 49.94-inch length, the rifle weighs only 7.75 pounds, and it has a comfortable black synthetic stock with over-molded grips. You can attach a lightweight laser or other attachments to your shotgun if it has Picatinny rails.